Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fajruddin Kamaluddin. So today I will show you how a radio function and how does it look like inside it. After this, I will show you how does the inside of the radio look like. So I have managed to open the radio. This is a speaker. Okay, this is a speaker, and then this is the connection for the wire. For the battery, which red one for the positive and the blue one is for the negative. Connected to this one, battery 1 and then battery plus. Yeah, so battery minus 1 battery. For this one, this is for the USB connection, memory card, earphone jack, and charger. This is knob used for the volume, and this one for turn on and turn off of the radio. After this, I will show the schematic of a simple radio, so that we can see what is actually change the control the frequency and the channel of the radio. Okay, so this is the simple FM radio schematic diagram. From this diagram, we can see there's the antenna and the IC, capacitor, and transistor. Okay, so each of these components has their own function. For the transformer, it's functional as the detector for the frequency modulated signal, which is from the radio station. We send to the antenna, detect it, and then receive it, and then the transformer will detect whether it's the frequency modulated signal or not, so that it can interpret it. Then the capacitor will tune the receiver, which is the radio, to the best FM station with strong signals, so that we can hear it clearly. Okay, then the signal after that will be coupled to the capacitor 2 before passing through VR10K preset. This function as a controller for the volume input of the amplifier. What is the amplifier? The amplifier is the IC LM386, which function as a low voltage audio power amplifier, which very suitable for radio and radio. So, and then the output we can be heard through the headphone or speaker, depending on the radio. So that's all from me. Thank you.